Hey modern women, it's Kylie Michelle, and I'm going to show y'all how I do my edges in a sleek pony with this Indian curly hair that I'm testing, and it's so good. It looks like my own hair texture, and I love this hair. It's so bouncy, so full. But anyways, let's get into the edges tutorial. So basically, I don't go like all out on my edges like I used to back in the day when I was a little younger, but I still like to have a little swoop. So basically what I do is just use my edge booster. If you want to know what edge booster I use, there is a video on my page that you can find, but it's just edge booster. This one's actually the pink kind. It smells really pretty, very, very cute. And basically all I do is pull out a little bit of my edges and I swoop it back, and I use an edge brush, and I like to use the brush side, but as you will see, I also like to use the comb part. Since my hair is like super duper thick, I do like to use that comb part to like make small little parts in my hair, so it kind of looks like it's sectioned, like I have very, very sleek hair, silky hair, if that makes sense. Anyways, after I'm done, I just hold my head together and like smooth it back. Sometimes I put a scarf on, sometimes I don't, depends if I'm rushing, but yep, that's how I do it.